Hey guys, so today I just got back from the mailbox and I got 2 squishies, and they are like really common squishies, but I still wanted to show them to you because I'm in love with them. Ding! I got a blue bun and a white one, and his cheek is kind of coming off, but I can put it back. So, like, I love this. It's so soft. Like, oh my gosh. How do you even get a squishy to be this soft? Like, I don't understand. Just, like, how? I'm in love with this. I'm also in love with this one. So now, from the moment that you have been waiting for. Now, from the moment that you've been waiting for, it is time to squish them. Yeah. Okay, first we're gonna squish the blue one. You ready? I can't. I want to sleep on it as a pillow. Like, it's soft enough to do that. Time to squish the white one. I live for this. He looks retarded. Oh my gosh. I'm absolutely in love with these guys, and I could squish them forever. And I want to squish them forever, but I'm going to use them as a pillow. Now I'm just going to lay down, cuddle up with my teddy, and then cover up with my blanket. Good night, squishy teddy. I love you, teddy. I don't know why I actually did that, but yeah, it was like really comfortable and I could do that forever. I wish I slept with this every night because I would stay awake all night just squishing it. If you came to join us, Mrs. Kitty. Are you grumpy? Huh? Are you grumpy? Okay, go away. Go. She's so grumpy right now. I don't know why. So yeah, that's it for this video.